The windshield is arguably the most important part of the car. Protecting that piece of safety equipment is a top priority for driving enthusiasts. That's why ZR Auto offers Clearplex Windshield Protection. The process starts out by removing all impurities from the windshield before the installation of the paint protection film. This is where ZR Auto is different. Our certified installers thoroughly clean the windshield to ensure a strong bond between the film and the glass. Once the film is applied, it is stretched and fitted specifically for your windshield's dimensions. Any excess film is trimmed to ensure a fitment that covers 100% of the glass. The film, which is now sized correctly for the windshield, is removed and the backing is peeled off. The film is then reapplied with the adhesive now exposed. When the edges are all aligned, the film gets sealed to the glass and the window trim gets put back on to leave behind a seamless installation.